Welcome to my garage. I'm Jonald. Today I'm working on repair of my Line 6 floorboard, the controller for my Line 6 pod, which is my guitar effects system. It's been in storage for a while and the foot controller is not switching channels and doing the things that it's supposed to do. Now, I've looked up online how people are solving this problem, and it comes down to these switches, and they're saying that you have to replace these switches. Now, I've cleaned these switches and I plugged it in and the switches work. The problem that I'm having, these buttons are not making enough contact. And so the way these work, there's a spring on the bottom. The spring makes the contact with the switch. And what I'm finding is that the spring isn't putting enough pressure on the switch. So I'm going to try another approach. I have used a hole punch and a butter container lid, and I have made several little dots that I am going to hot glue onto these switches and give it just a little bit less throw than it needs and see if that solves the problem. So there you have it. It looks like it worked. The trick was not getting too much glue on the spot because I didn't want to glue the switch in place. So it seems to be working. There's one switch that's not quite working the way I want it to, but it's a switch that I almost never use. So I may try to work on that and repair it, or I may just leave it alone. But for now, it's time to plug in the guitar and play through some different effects. Thanks for watching.